Ladies and gentlemen, please watch this video.
Well, George, at the start, because he was still small when he started Kumon, just like something new, it's like a play to him. And he continued doing it diligently. He was, I guess, enjoying it because he was advancing in the stages of the Kumon. When he was already in the higher levels, that he could not answer the questions right away, he would be frustrated and get angry, bang his table, until such time that he is able to get it.
George is a Kumon student. He's very persevering in doing his work.
Even during vacations, he would bring worksheets.
Well, I think it served as a challenge for him because during his grade school days and even this during his high school days too, he excelled in math. He represented his school in the competitions.
I would say that because of his experience with Kumon, it has improved him as a person, and it has improved also his study habits. It has improved generally his academic ability and academic progress in school.
I'm proud of George that despite the challenges, he was able to complete his Kumon program.
To share his Kumon journey and to be an inspiration to others, please welcome George Matalibano from Bacolod City.
Mr. Makatska, Kumon Philippines President, Mr. Lawrence Loretta, Kumon Cebu Branch Head, Mr. Mark Decena, Kumon Area District Manager, Kumon instructors, fellow completers and ASF awardees, parents and guests, good afternoon. I started the Kumon Math program in the summer after my Kinder 2 year in school when I was only 6 years old. My starting point was not only easy, it was also enjoyable. At that time, Kumon seemed like a second school to me. My initial months in the program quickly led me to learn lessons that were above my school level but were not that difficult yet. Early in my Kumon journey, my parents made sure that I did not miss any of my center days. In the beginning, they also supervised my answering of all my homework. As I got into the habit of daily work, doing Kumon on top of schoolwork did not become a big deal to me anymore. My routine became ordinary to me. Without my knowing it, I was doing stuff 2 levels above my grade level only a little over a year after I started. By grade 5, I was into 4th year high school math concepts already. Halfway through my first year in high school, I was beginning to do differential calculus. I was a completer before I finished 2nd year high school. All this advanced work in math in Kumon put me at a very big advantage among my classmates in school. Each time my math teacher introduced a new concept to the class, I already knew what she was talking about and was confident enough to tackle whatever it was she threw our way. My aptitude and positive attitude towards math helped me garner high grades and made me one of the top students in this subject in my grade level. My Kumon journey has not been all that easy though. Repetition played a very important role in my mastery of challenging worksheets. I repeatedly went over worksheets with subject matter that I found difficult until I could do them confidently. There were moments when I wanted to quit. Doing high school level work early in my elementary years and college level math towards the end of my elementary years was challenging and even downright frustrating at times. In these difficult times, I approached my parents, my brother, and the Kumon assistants in my center for help. Everyone played a role in guiding me towards completion of the program. My parents offered me incentives when I became frustrated. Teacher Francis Goles gave me pep talks to inspire me to go on. It was these motivational one-on-one talks with Teacher Francis which eventually became my driving force towards completing the Kumon Math program. I give credit to my teachers at the Child's Place Kumon Center under the guise of Teacher Francis Goles and of course to Teacher Elisa. Without them, I would not be where I am today, sharing my experience as a Kumon completer. There is nothing sweeter than receiving an award one has worked very hard for. The many certificates, medals, and trophies that I received in Kumon and in math contests that I have won in grade school and in high school have boosted my self-confidence. My Completer's Award is something I will always cherish. It is a reminder of how far I have come because I did not allow myself to quit. Kumon has changed me by teaching me the value of not giving up when faced with a difficult challenge. To other aspiring completers, I say, do not give up easily. Always ask for help when you think you cannot do it on your own. Thank you. Once again, congratulations to all the completers and the ASF awardees. Kudos to a job well done.